before that video starts, we're almost at 200 subscribers. We're at about 180, which is awesome. And at 200, we're gonna go ahead and do that Amazon gift card giveaway. It's gonna be a free 50 bucks to one of you. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video so we can get it out there. Enjoy the video, because I think it's a really good one. Welcome back, you guys. Today we're gonna go ahead and go to a paint shop. We're gonna go ahead and get an estimation right now. We're gonna go to MAACO. I know. From everything that I've seen, yes, there are some pretty crappy MAACO jobs, some horror stories, but I do not want to spend thousands of dollars. Not just like, like a 1,000. I don't want to spend thousands, like multiple thousands of dollars on a paint job in which this is a drift car that might get beat up a little bit and the paint is just gonna go bye-bye anyways. That's why I'm choosing most likely MAACO. It was either this or go to a wrap shop. Fairly inexpensive compared to some of the paint jobs, because sometimes you can catch like a $5,000, $10,000 paint job, which number one, I can't afford, or at least I don't want to afford. Number two, if I were to spend $5,000 on that, that'd probably be what I get for this car now that it's a salvage title. Maybe $7,000, I don't know. That's where we're going right now. We're gonna go ahead and get an estimate. It doesn't mean we're automatically gonna go there. If what I see is what I like, then, well, it's what it's gonna be, because I'm not trying to spend thousands of dollars on a paint job, and I'm not even like professional. I don't have the confidence enough to spend thousands of dollars on a paint job when I could be putting it into getting a hydro, or getting, upgrading my brakes there, or doing an angle kit on our car. Like, there's so much more things that I could get for those extra thousands of dollars that I don't want to just be spending on paint. Let's go ahead and go right now. I've been explaining for way too dang long. Let's go to the shop. MAACO, let's hope. We're gonna go in there, get an estimate, come back out. I don't really see how I would be able to bring you in there. Our estimate is $12,490. Didn't want to go completely to the like the cheapest one that they have, because I mean, that's when you kind of start getting So I went with like their urethane paint. It has like that integrated clear in it. I have a sealer on there, universal sealer. It just makes the paint across the car look a little bit more consistent apparently. And then some like sanding. Overall, pretty much everything turns out to be 1,200 bucks. Not too bad, especially for a full body paint. We'll see what happens, and hopefully we can get it done. It's either this or a wrap. Why are you a thing? FRSs have this annoying problem. I think I'm gonna heighten my car a little bit because it is rubbing somehow, even though they're bigger. We got an issue, and it sucks. It's never been an issue before. That's like 70 bucks down the drain right here. My side markers just got caught with this. It's not how they're supposed to be. So now I gotta heighten it, because I'm gonna be getting 255s. These are 235s, so it's gonna have even more of an issue, so I gotta heighten it. I don't think I'm gonna be running these anymore, since I was probably gonna have to delete these anyways, and I'll probably just go with those carbon fiber little side marker, just the side marker deletes, so it looks nice at least. So I was just getting my stuff out of my car. Guess what the hell I see? The other side's broken too. This right here is the socket for the other side. It's broken. This isn't working out here. There's something wrong. Very wrong. I should have just got the ones that completely deleted this in the first place. Now that I'm super disappointed on both sides being freaking broken, now I'll catch up to you as soon as we make more progress on Apollo getting freaking painted. See you then. Sun is always blazing in on the front of my house just like that early in the morning. Luckily, my room's on the other side. About time to get Apollo painted. A little early in the morning. The place opens up at 7:30. I want to be one of the first people there so I can get Apollo back as soon as possible. I'm very tired. I didn't get off work until 2 in the morning. I didn't end up asleep until 3:30. It's 7:01 right now. About 3 minutes earlier here than I am to work every day. Let's go inside so we'll be the first in line because we don't want no one skipping us because there's a huge line out here of no one. I'm tired and I want to go to sleep. We just dropped her off and now I'm sitting on the side of the road waiting for Uber like a bum because I didn't want to wake anybody up and ask for a ride. That's my fault. So I'm spending more money. It's Friday, I dropped it off on Monday. It's time to pick up Apollo from paint and I gotta be there around 12. Let's go ahead and get this done because I've been waiting all day. I was really hoping it was gonna be done on Wednesday, but now it's Friday. But you know, it is what it is. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go to Apollo. See you when I get there. All right, you guys, it's a little bit later in the day, but here is Apollo. She is completely white. Completely white. I pretty much got the inspiration from the WRX STI ceramic white, and essentially it's pure white, like as white as you can get it. And that's pretty much what I got the inspiration from. Pretty much the reason why I wanted to go as white as possible, because it made the other Subaru white, it made it look cream yellow or eggnog or something like that, and it makes everything else look not as white as this car does. When I first saw it, it was like freaking crazy. It almost scared me, to be honest. Like, I made my heart jump. It's pretty much what I was going for. I got what I wanted. I'll go ahead and go in further detail about it in another video. We'll go like a full walk around just to see how it is. It is a MAACO paint job, and that's pretty much a budget paint shop. So we'll go in deeper with it. For now, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. Go ahead and get out of here. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video. See you later, guys.